What are you? Your face, your age.
This man. I need to know where he is. His name is Risotto. He is a traitor. He too is searching for my daughter. He's trying to find my identity. Where is he? I need you to divinate that. Can you do that from this photo? Where is he?
I don't know. But you will meet him very soon.
Good. That will do.
Wait, your palm. Your palm is so beautiful. I have never seen a hand like this before. Ah, that is odd. Your lifeline is odd. Something just happened to it. The lifeline on this hand is gone. Oh, I get it now. I'm holding my own hand. When did that happen?
King Crimson!